Meanwhile, to the field of play now, Tivoli Gardens kicked off their 2023 season of the Jamaica Premier League with a commanding 3-0 win over Waterhouse at the National Stadium. After dominating the opening exchanges, Tivoli took the lead in the 30th minute through Howard Morris. Things got worse for Waterhouse when Justin Dunn made it 2-0 less than a minute later to see the West Kingston side going into the break with a comfortable 2-0 lead. And after coming into action in the 50th minute, it took only 10 minutes for Shaquille Jones to score Tivoli's third goal to complete the opening day rout. And in a very unusual occurrence, the newly appointed head coach Jerome Waite oversaw his team's first game from the stands.
You mentioned about me sitting in the stand. I mean, with my experience over the years, you always need, a statistician to get going, in which I'm trying to create one down by Tivoli. But for now, I will have to do that job. Coach Clark can be at the helm dealing with the team. During the halftime break, based on what I saw, I also deal with that during that period. But overall, it's a good performance, a good, start for them.
And despite the last, Waterhouse's head coach Marcel Gale saw positives he believes he can build on.
This is the first one, and we're disappointed. We're unfortunate today. I think we gave up 2 soft goals in the first half. I think we had a better play to that moment, and I think a little bit of concentration kick in right there, lapse in concentration, give away 2 goals. But nevertheless, I think second half we come up and make amends ourselves. We create a couple of opportunities. We should have took away, but unfortunately today wasn't our day today.
Meanwhile, in all the matches on the day, Humble Lion left it late to eke out a 1-0 win over Newcomers at Treasure Beach at the Effortville Community Centre. The visitors put up a stout fight but conceded a penalty in the 78th minute, which Andrew Vanzi converted to give the home team all 3 points.
Our preparation was as smooth as we wanted it to be, but we had to be ready for the opening of the season. 3 points at home, a clean sheet. I can't ask for more. We are nowhere where we need to be, but we are a work in progress and we'll continue to work hard as the season progresses. But it was good to get the first one out of the way.
Well, honestly, we never want to come here and leave empty-handed, to be honest. I think we give good account of ourselves, but not the best one, because we think we could have done much better today. Much respect to the Humble Lion team. Give us a hard fight, and honestly we stand up to it, and this is our welcome to the league, and we have to just go ahead and build and go forward. We have to look at things that we need to do, the pace that we need to play, and then we can go step by step and go forward.